Hello guys, today I'm started basic of Python. So I'm going to open here a Python shell. When we are done the basic, so then we move to PyCharm. So I'm going to open here a Python shell. So going to taskbar and type Python. Okay, as I am install this and previous video. So I'm going to operate here some operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some string and integer value and float value. So let's try 2 plus 3. So here the 2 plus 3 is a 5. Okay, so answer is a 5. So like I'm taking some value 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is a 3. So answer is a 3. Let's type some multiplication. Okay, so I'm taking here a 5 multiply 5. So mine 5 multiply 5 is a 25. So answer is a 25. Next I am trying division. So let's taking any number like 10 division 2. So okay, so 5.0 here is the give point 0. So 5 is the integer value and 0.0 float value. So let's try any other number like 5 divide 2. Okay, so it's give a exact value 2.5. So here are the the integer number and 0.5 is the float value. But if you want only integer value, then you use here 5 divide 2. So it will give a integer value. Okay, so you use slash 2 times. Okay, so like now you try next like division and multiplication and addition with so I'm taking here any number 8 plus 2 minus any number 3. Okay, so answer is 7. 8 plus 2 10 minus 3 7. Okay, so now I'm taking any other like 3 plus 2 multiply 3. So here is the follow board mass rule. First is multiply and solve 3 plus 3 multiply to 6 and plus 3. Okay, so it's 9. Next we try any other number and function which are solved in board mass rule. So I am trying here any number 8 plus 2. Okay, so and multiply 3. Okay, so here is according to board mass rule, first is solve the bracket. So 8 plus 2 is 10 and multiply 3 is 30. Okay, so now we try exponential function. So I'm taking here any number like 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, so 2 multiply 2 4 and multiply 2 is 8. So answer is 8. You can also use 2 multiply 2. Answer is 8. 2 multiply 2. Okay, so 2 raised to power 2 multiply 2 is here it comes 3. So 2 multiply 2 multiply, so it's 2 raised to power 3. That means 2 4 and 2 8. So answer is 8. It will give us syntax error. Okay, so what's the problem here? Checking here 2 multiply 2 multiply. Okay, so don't give here a space. Okay, so now I'm trying to here I'm done integer operation and float type value. So now I'm trying to string value like any name. So like I'm taking here my name. Okay, so taking name Babulal. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so it's printed. Now I'm trying to here with Python function. So Python use the for printing print function. So I'm use here print. So print Babulal. So and press enter. Okay, so you can also do it. Now I'm trying to another print Babulal mobiles. Babulal mobile. Okay, so here is use a single code in 3 times. So it's confusing to compile. So it's give definitely is give a error. You can see it invalid syntax. So it's a syntax error. So in these type cases you use a double code. Here you use double code and here starting in a double code now. Okay, so Babulal mobiles. Now we try any other string like single code and double code both. So taking here a single code double code. Okay, So single quote start and single quote close and okay, single quote and double quote. Okay, so Babulal mobile entered. Now I'm trying to any other char like this, and I'm taking here yes. Okay, so it will give us syntax error. Okay, so in this type you use backslash. Okay, okay, now this is okay. Babulal mobile. Okay, so now I'm try to that type of value like multiple type value uh, which are printed in multiple time. So I'm taking any name like my name is, so taking here Babulal plus single quote Babulal. Okay, so it's a printed both Babulal and Babulal. If I want to print it in multiple time, like I printed Babulal in 5 types, so 5 multiply Babulal. Okay, so it's a give printed in five time Babulal in 5 time. You can try multiple time, 10 time, 20 time. Okay, I am trying any other like print backslash docs backslash Babulal. So what do you think here? It's printed. So let's try. Here I R is using for a row string. So it's because here the B is not coming. So use here R. So it's give a complete line and so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, I like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.